All right, today we're going to bring a keyboard. It's a foldable keyboard. Now, I do have an Android TV and it's going to use this keyboard on, all right? So I'm going to show you exactly how it works, all right? So the way it works, you turn it on where it says on in the side of it. You say on and you wait for it. Right now, it says that we do have charge. So we're going to go ahead and see and make sure it connects, all right? So now we're going to go ahead and plug it in. We're going to go to our Bluetooth settings. It's blinking right now. We're going to go Bluetooth and it's going to look for it automatically. So let's go ahead and find the device. See all. Available. And it's going to start finding it, right? So we got to find out which Bluetooth it is or on this one. On this one, it's going to be keyboard. So go ahead, mini Bluetooth. Yeah, the keyboard. That's it. Connect it, pair it, allow it first, allow it, and then pair it. We're pairing it. And it's going to stop blinking. And that's it. So now I'm able to not forget the device. We're going to cancel this one. So we go here, cancel this one. And then we could close this out. Oh, actually go here. And we could go surf the internet too. All right, so with this, I'm able to go into the internet Play Store. So we're going to go Play Store. I'm going to try again. We're going to connect and we're going to look for Chrome, all right? So once we look for Chrome, we're going to say, we're typing it in. And then it's going to look for it. And it's already installed. We're going to install it. I mean, it's not installed, but here it is, installing it. So with the remote, with this, I'm able to actually control the TV from here. And the audio, everything's working from here and all the keyboards. And then at the end of the day, you can just look at that. Take it to go. Take it with you. Use it for your laptop, your desktop, pretty much anything you want. I like that it comes with the actual touchpad here. And right now it's downloading. And pretty much that's what you get. You got your on and off. Type C to recharge. Very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.